It's like a web page, and it is its code. It is doc type HTML. It tells the browser that it is an HTML5 document. This is HTML tag. It is root of the page. Here head tag. It contains page content like meta title. This is meta tag. It tells the browser about web page to browser and search engine. And this is used for responsive design, so that web page looks good on every device. This is title tag used for page title. And this is body tag. It contains all visible content of the web page. This is header tag. It is top section of web page. It usually contains logo, navigation bar, um, and this is center. It is used to align text or content in middle of in center of page. This is H1 tag used for heading. This is navigation bar. It contains navigation link of other pages or same pages. It helps user to it helps user move between sections or pages. This is anchor tag used for link. This is href attribute. It shows the address of link, and this is attribute value. This is the um, link path of link, and this is an alternative name that shows on page. And here this is a chart tag used for line divider, horizontal line. This is main section. It contains central content of page. This is p tag used for paragraph. This is stu tag used for heading smaller than h1. This is S3 tag used for heading smaller than S2. This is oval tag used for ordered list. Here type is 1, means ordered list in 1, 2, 3 like this. Here list. It contains list item inside list. Here S2 tag used for heading. Here again P tag used for paragraph. Here H3 used for heading. Here again oval ordered list type 1, 1 to 3 like this. And again H2 tag used for heading. P tag used for paragraph. S3 tag used for heading. Oval tag used for ordered list. And here P tag used for paragraph tag. S3 used for heading, same as like this. And here HR tag used for divider, horizontal line. And here footer. It is it defines the bottom section of a page. Usually contains copyright, contact, social links. That's it.